Alright, so in this video, got my sparkle green pick guard material, and I've traced the pick guard that came with the kit onto it. We're going to try to cut it out. Here we go. Alright, so we've roughed the shape out on the pick guard here. You can see I transferred all the lines and everything onto the back originally so I could see them easier because the back's white. And I drilled all the holes on the press using my using a drill bit. And now I need to go on this side and actually do the countersink for all the holes. So we're going to do that now. Let's check to see the hole looks like compared to that one. Pretty close. So there it is, countersunk. So we've got all the holes cut out and everything countersunk. So now I'm going to use this Dremel and a flap disc to bring everything closer to the mark. As you can see, I left a little bit of room so I could sand it into shape. So here we go. Alright, so after much filing and drilling and all that good stuff, this is the one that came with the kit, and then bam, there's the sparkly green one. As you can see, I used all plethora of tools, files, that kind of stuff. Went real gentle with it. It's still got the protective cover on it, but I used a Dremel to finish sand the edges and add the bevels to match the stock tele guard. And check this out. If I can ooh, ah, that looks pretty cool. Sparkly green. So yeah, pretty easy, didn't take that long, maybe a couple hours to build it. And yeah, this is what the material looks like with the top protective layer taken off. So it looks pretty neat. I think she'll look good. So that's how to make a pick guard using another one for template. Pretty easy to make. Didn't take a lot of time. And so here it is put back together. I decided to take the protective covering off the shiny green pick guard. I think it looks kind of cool. So yeah, next time we'll mount the neck, put the bridge plate in, my ferrule should be here. Off we go.